Well, it's 10:06, and it's time to go. And so I'll say what we're supposed to do is not to be shaken. Recognize your location. You're on the narrow path. Sudden hardship, whether job loss, mockery, health failure, whatever, is proof of the journey. It's not a detour. You're not off the road. Embrace the refinement. View the aging process. View all physical weakness not as a curse, but as the final necessary discipline to complete your sanctification. Talk like that in the cancer treatment center, the rehab center, the chemo center, the dialysis center, and what did you say? And you'll say, tell them about your hope in the Lord. Solidify your trust. When pain is not removed, shift your focus. Stop looking at the affliction itself and look at God's sovereign, purposeful control. He hasn't lost control or sight of us. Let's pray.